Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. Let's see what we got here. It is a Samsung SPH-M550 on Sprint. See, it's a dual slider phone. Doesn't have a battery or a back cover. Don't see any water indicators on it either, but that is fine. Pretty scratched up, but I don't have one of these yet, so figured why not. Went ahead and snatched up this one. So we'll have to see if we can get it to work and stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.